Today, thanks to the Most High, fire is on. Have my pot here is ready. I'm gonna make some beer chicken. So I have some nice drumstick, nice chicken drumstick right there. So I'm gonna show you how to do the beer chicken. You can do the beer chicken on the oven. You can do the beer chicken inside the oven right here, or you can do it on top of the stove. Okay, you can do it on the wood fire. Okay, so my pot is on the stove right there, heated up. I have a can of Bud Light beer, and I have my chicken breast washed. So my chicken drumstick, it's chicken drumstick, wash and clean right there. So I just rinse again. Yeah, nice chicken drumstick right here. Pour the water. Okay, drumstick in the pot. Okay. Yeah. Yeah. Okay, some nice drumstick in the pot. Then I get my Bud Light beer. Pop your beer, and you pour your beer on top of it. Yeah. Okay. Pour a can of beer on top of the chicken, and then you put it on mid-flame and let it stay there slowly and steam for 20 minutes. So it stay there and you steam it on mid-flame or low flame. It stay there and steam, so that chicken get the beer soak inside and get the flavor of the beer. So I'll leave it there for 20 minutes at low flame, and I'll get back to you. Chicken is steaming. Get my little bowl right there. Based on the amount of stuff you're making, you're gonna use that for the flavoring. So browning. That's for browning. Tomato ketchup. Tomato ketchup finished now. Yeah. Yeah. Put my tomato ketchup on my browning. My beer, Bud Light. Bud Light beer. Bud Light. Any beer. Any beer. All you need is a flavor of the beer. That's my beer inside of it. Walker's would jerk. Let me get it out. Yeah, this is my Walker's would jerk right there. Yeah, real jerk. Okay. Okay, and I'm gonna get that cracking. So I have my Walker's wood jerk inside there. Okay. Over here now is some dry thyme, cloves. That's my all-purpose seasoning. 2 teaspoons. Okay. Let's put another half a teaspoon. Yeah. Make it. Yeah. 2.5 teaspoons of my all-purpose over there. Okay. All right. Garlic powder. tubs of garlic powder inside. Onion powder, little onion powder right there with it. Okay, and now I'm gonna put a little bit of all-purpose. A little bit of all-purpose. Okay. Alright, meat is steaming well. Yeah, meat is there steaming well. So this one now, I'm gonna mix everything up. Yeah, okay. See what it's like? Mixing everything. Garlic powder, onion powder, all-purpose. Okay. Tomato ketchup, beer, a little bit of browning. Let that one sit right there for now. Okay. So that one can sit there. I get my blender now. Blender is ready. Okay. In my blender, green onion, scallion, yeah, some garlic, onion, tomato, okay, tomato, ginger, drop just a piece of that ginger in because I did already put ginger powder. Okay, then now all the rest of the beer. Okay, beer done now. Yeah, beer done. Let me add a little bit more water to this. Okay. Getting some. Okay. Alright. Whoops. One more thing, bell pepper. I need to put a piece of bell pepper inside. That's what I was forgetting to get inside is my bell pepper. Okay, bell pepper is inside. Now I'm gonna cover and blend. Cover and blend. I'll be right back. Blending time. Easy blender. Yeah. Okay. Here it is. Well blended. Okay. Sit right there. Turn off the steam under my chicken now. Okay. So the chicken is steamed in the beer. Okay. Let that sit there for a second. Okay, so I'm gonna pour the beer from the chicken now. That's what your chicken look like when it's steaming the beer. Yeah, it's steaming. Whoa, okay. Oh, I don't want to burn myself. Oh, that's what it look like. So I'm gonna pour all the beer off right now. Pour off the liquid off of it. I almost burned myself, so I have to be careful not to burn myself. Okay, so I try to pour the beer. So now that the beer is poured from it, my bowl is right here. Can you see the bowl properly? Okay. So my chicken drum, lay them out inside. Okay. Oh, okay. All right. So, as you can see, that's it. This is my blended. I pour over it. Yeah. Then I put this all over it. Then I put it in the oven and let it go in the oven and finish cooked. Okay. So I put it in the oven for a while to cook. Can you see it from where you are? Don't mind the patchy color. All this is gonna melt right out in the chicken. Yeah? So nice. Everything gonna come together. So now I put down the oven on 350 and put it in the oven to cook for a good 25 minutes. And I'll show you the outcome of it, okay? Down to the oven now. So while the chicken is in the oven, I'm just gonna prepare some rice to heat with it. Yeah, a little bowl of white rice. Just get my little Dutch pot in the night and wash my white rice properly. Putting on a little bowl of white rice to eat with it. So yeah, that's my little bowl of white rice setting up there, so I can have something to eat with my chicken. Okay. So my white rice is there. Get some butter. Chop a piece of butter, put in my white rice. A little bit of salt for taste. Yeah, some salt. Then a drop of pepper in my white rice. Then I leave that there, let it go and steam. It can steam slowly while the meat is in the oven cooking. Some thyme leaf. Yeah. Okay. So leave me a little rice to go steam now. In the meantime now the meat is in the oven there. So this is my blender with the mixture I just prepared. So I'm gonna need this liquid. So I get a little water and rinse the blender. Make sure I get all the juice I need for my chicken. Okay. That's my gravy. Ketchup finished now. Can somebody buy me a bottle of ketchup? Who is willing and kind enough to buy me a bottle of tomato ketchup? That's finished. So what I do, I stir this, clean it, and use this one to put over the chicken later. Give it another 5 minutes and then I add this to it. Rice is there, steaming down. And in the oven there, chicken is doing his thing down there. I think it's time to go down. Yeah. Okay. That's the light in the oven. Yes. Okay. So now, this mixture again, I'm gonna add on top of this. Okay. So first thing first, I need to remove that from the oven so my hands don't get burnt. Like what almost happened 2 minutes ago. So let me up again. Yeah. Okay. Whoop. Ooh. These ones over the chicken again. Another coating. Okay. So I get all the sauce, the gravy I need inside of it. Let they go in between the chicken. No little white spot. Everything blend in properly. And then go back in the oven again. Yeah. Okay. Then this go back in the oven again to cook. Leave it in the oven for another 10 minutes. And then, people, we are ready to eat. After 10 minutes of this in the oven. Alright. Rice is hot. Rice is done. That's what my rice look like. Now, take my chicken from the oven now. Yeah, okay. Yeah, that's my beer chicken. How to prepare your chicken with the beer? Still bubbling. Nice smell, nice taste, nice fragrance. Okay. So, I get some rice in my bowl. And that's my supper. Nice white rice. Nice white rice right there. And my chicken now. Yeah. That's my chicken there. Two drumstick, and now this is the sauce. Nice over the meat, over the rice. You know what? I have another drumstick. Let me have 3 drumstick. Yeah. Okay. That's my food right there. I did make some vegetables, a little bit of coleslaw to the side right here. Okay, good. Tell me what you think. It's eating time. How to do the beer chicken in the oven. Jamaican style. Please like, share, and subscribe. Time for me now to sit and eat. Okay. And this is my meal. A little more gravy. Yeah. Okay. Yeah. Wow. Yeah. The flavor is in it. Please like, share, and subscribe. Tell me what you think. Follow the recipe. It's up and running. All this thing, there's a nice glass of drinks of your choice. Thank you. See you in the next video. Please like, share, subscribe, and let me know what you think. I'll be around with the next video.